Pathfinder in Adobe Illustrator is basically a nickname for Boolean operation which you can perform on shapes. To open the Pathfinder panel, you can go to Window, Pathfinder. I already have mine placed in here. Okay. Using Pathfinder panel, you can perform basic Boolean operation such as union, subtraction, and intersection. But not only basic Boolean operation. Pathfinder also provide more advanced or special operation such as divide, trim, etc. Let's discuss the basic operation first, which are located at the top area in Shape Mode section. In this document, I have a blue rectangle like this and an orange circle sit on top of the rectangle like this. If I select both of these shapes and select Unite, these shapes before now become one united shape like this. I undo this again. Now if I click minus front, we have something like this. Basically, this is a subtraction Boolean operation in which the object at the back is subtracted by the object in front of it. Okay, I undo this again. The next operation is intersect. This operation will retain overlapping areas from both of the original shapes. And the last one, which is exclude, is like the inverse version of intersect. It removes the overlapping areas and retain the rest. Next, let's discuss more specialized Pathfinder operation which are located at the bottom part. Okay, so first one is divide. This operation will splice the original shapes into multiple shapes based on the overlapping lines. The result is grouped by default. Notice this group text up here. Press Ctrl-Shift-G to ungroup it, and notice how these are actually multiple pieces now. Okay, now let's look at trim and merge. Their both main purpose is to remove any overlapping areas. The difference between trim and merge though, trim will not unite shapes which has the same color, and merge will unite shapes with the same color. In this setup, I add another orange colored rectangle, like this. Notice if I select all of this and hit trim, all of the overlapping areas are gone. I'll undo this first. Now if I click this merge button, it will do the same with trim, which is removing overlapping areas, but in addition to that, it will also unite shapes with the same color. The crop operation works like the intersect operation up here. The only difference is that it will retain part of the front object as non-colored shape. Basically, it doesn't have any stroke or fill color. Okay, next is outline. Outline is like the trim operation, but it works in stroke level. So it will produce a bunch of individual lines or curves that doesn't have any fill color. The last one, minus back, is identical with minus front up here. Only the one that's subtracting is the back object, not the front one. I really don't understand why Adobe put this down here and not up here. Well, anyway, that's Pathfinder in Adobe Illustrator.